Okay, in this tutorial we are going to be creating this design. So I just log it in place. I start with the background. Okay, that was the one I used. I start with this. So all I want to do is just reduce the opacity to like 25. Is this okay? Let me increase it a bit. Okay. Take my eraser to increase this and this, and just clean some part of this. Now I come to shape. Just do this stroke. Change the stroke color to white. Increase blur radius. Increase it to 100. Centralize. Copy. And just move them a bit. Okay. So I lock it. The next thing is 2024. 2024. Use the tall fonts. What's the name again? Tosca Grotesque. Okay, so let's pick the color from here. First thing I forgot. Alignment 8. Okay, my grid line. Now to shape, let me run the snapping for grid lines. Tap on this again, choose this yellow color. Okay, now let me import the image. Okay, so the logo. Centralize it. Okay, so no need of a shape. There's not too much detail for this design, just some information. Use the size 8 to text FICO underscore resources. Okay. The next thing is this. Let me look whether I can quickly get it. Turn paper effects. I use I don't know why this thing is just going off this time around. Let's lock it. Copy. Happy New Year. All caps. New size to 15. Align it to the center. Let's move it up. Okay. And last thing to import. Use blurry star. Yeah. Import it. Place it here. Come to color filters. And then I turn it. And then just this. Okay, so I just turn this a little bit. Okay, let's lock that. Now I'll just use these lines. I want to create lines and place under this New Year. Change the color to black. So just like the elements of design. So you can also use lines to create aesthetics and create some little patterns on designs to make them look more designly beautiful. That's just a constructed English, but I hope you get the point. So you can just move this. Come and move this also. Okay, so let's just copy this. Welcome to January. Happy New Year. Seasons. Greetings from the ethical resources team. First change color to white. Change the alignment to left and then just place it there. Now to the final part, we come to shapes, gradient, like this. Come to opacity. Let's do it at 25. And then just flip this. You can also just create it that way in the design, but in your shape too, but still the same process. Place one there, another one here. Okay, copy, turn this one. Okay, and then you just save, and then we'll go to our editing app and edit it. I'm going to use Lightroom to edit this. Made sense. So I just waiting for it to load up. Let's start with sharpening. I just like to start with sharpening the haze, a little bit of purple tint, vibrance, and then we'll come to color grading. Just move this inside a bit. Just move it inside a bit, and then if I move it very deep inside, you see how well it affects it, but I just want it to be slight on it. Mid-tones. Let's check for highlights. Now you can see before and after, before and after, and then we can see come to exposure here just a bit, and then we save, and then we have it just simple.